premium quality.
Sa full mesh breathable design, yung lumbar pillow tightness, custom to 3-level adjustment. Tsaka hidden yung telescopic footrest niya. So guys, kung gusto niyo ng footrest, meron to siya. Tapos yung top-notch mesh surface niya, breathable, high rebound, wear resistant. Cushion can move forward by 5 cm. Meron siyang tightly fitting the lumbar spine for a more comfortable experience. So nasa iyo kung ano yung level ang gusto mo, pwede mo lang siya i-switch on and off. The height of this chair is 150 cm to 190 cm. And then yung kaya niya na weight is 150 kilograms. Tapos yung backrest niya, kaya niya 90 degrees to 125 degrees. And then 3.5 cm yung fore and arf adjustment ng backrest. Pwede kang naka